This will demonstrate how Tridion connects to Aprimo DAM. You can browse through the different collections or classifications and the different records in Aprimo and view the different assets. You can also get the thumbnail view of the actual assets. You can also view different renditions or crops and consume them on your web pages, so this mirrors what is available in Aprimo DAM. So if we go into the same collection in Aprimo DAM, we can see different solar panel assets. Here you can see also the different crop sizes associated with that asset. It's also possible to do searches through either DAM, or you can search via certain collections or classifications. All assets can be opened, and here you can see the thumbnail of the actual asset, as well as different metadata like the description, content type, size, and additional metadata and classifications. You can also see when it was last modified. The different assets are also able to be localized, so they can follow the blueprint structure of Tridion. So for example, if you go into the French publication and view the same asset we opened before, but this time we will go into a French version using the publication and local mapping in Aprimo. Here we have the localized item. So this gives us the ability to translate, for example, the description to French. You also see the classifications are using the French versions. So we save that and it goes into Aprimo directly. So we can go into Aprimo and then verify our translations. Edit the asset, and here you see the English description and English classifications. And then if we select French, you see our recent translation and French classifications. So let's go back to Tridion and let's create a new page, and we're going to consume one of the pre-made matches. So go into Experience Manager and create a new page using one of the predefined templates. Now let's quickly edit this content. Give it a title and a file name. Now let's quickly edit this content. To do that, we just click on the image, and here we see the native set of Tridion images. From here, we look within the structure, which allows you to select from the list of Aprimo assets. You can browse through the different classifications or collections. In this case, you're going to select the 1080p version of this asset. We have the image in action on the website. From here, we click Finish Editing, and that automatically publishes to the staging site. And now we're good to go with our changes. Here you can also see when an asset is being used. In this view, you see it being used by the banner that was created on the homepage. As soon as an asset's in use by Tridion, it's also marked in use within Aprimo, and we use classifications for that. So the connection is pre-configured with a specific classification, in this case Tridion, but that can be fully configured within the connector.